So, okay, all right. So if you were just watching this and you want to finish the lesson, all right, this is the optional part where I'm gonna go over those three questions, similar to number 10. Okay, so this will really help you with the regions and also with the Delta Math homework. All right. So I'll try to keep this about 10 minutes. I don't want you to watch any more than you have to. All right. So let's go with it. All right. So, number 12, which order pair is in the solution set of the following system? So again, we'll test them all. If you want to, I mean, since on the entire regions, I gotta tell you, like if you're taking the regions, I think you should really go with the graphing calculator row and do that. Okay, because testing it by hand, it just takes a very long time. And not only that, it's very hard to eliminate the immediately wrong answers. Like the obvious wrong answers is very hard to eliminate in this method because you really have to put the numbers in to see. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this. Um, I'm going to show it to you both ways for 12, and then 13, 14 will use the graphical way of doing it because you're supposed to be provided with a graphing calculator. Okay? All right. So let's take a look. So for this one, I'll clear both. And then what I'm going to do is enter in the equations. Now, less than, so I got to change this to less than, and then let me change this to half of x plus 4, so 0.5x plus 4. What's the other one? Is that greater than equal to? Okay. All right, so I don't have to change the shading. What was it again? Negative x what? Plus 1. Okay. All right, so grab that. Now remember, the blue line again is dotted, right? It's broken, okay? Don't forget that, because that's what the question says, right? Okay, right? So, now, what was I talking about? Oh, yeah. All right, so let's check these answers out. So negative 5, 3, 1, 2, man, these things, I can't, let's see, hold on, let me look at the window. There's no way the window changed, right? Oh, you know what? You know what I could do, actually? I could trace it. That's right. Oh, I should have told you guys this before we do this. All right, I can just trace. So it says what? Negative 5, 3. That's where we'll go. We'll go to negative 5, 3. So I'm at negative 5 right now, am I? Yep, wow, that's perfect. Okay, negative 5, 3. Yep, nothing going there. So that's not the answer. All right? I actually like this method way more. It's more fun also. 0, 4. So x is 0, y is 4. Now this is tricky because it's right on the line. Remember the dotted line is blue, right? The blue line is dotted, so we can't count that. Man, they keep doing this. This is great. All right, 3, negative 5. Let's see, 3, 3. Okay, negative 5. By the way, you don't have to keep clicking every time. You can just hold the down button. Nope, that's blue only. And then 4, 0. I can't move this. What happened? What happened? All right, let me. Oh, the thing is frozen. Well, I'll just look then. 4, 0 looks good though, right? Because 4, 4, 0. 4 zeros right here, right? So that's good. That's our answer. All right, got that? All right. Now let's see. All right, that's 5 minutes past. Okay, we're okay. All right. Now, um, to actually answer this, right? So here I show you what a wrong answer looks like, right? Where the statements aren't true. I'm going to show you one where the statement is true. So I'm going to substitute. So I'm going to rewrite. Nah, I don't need to rewrite. I'm just right here. Y, I'm going to replace that with 0. 1/2, and then times x, which is 4 plus 4. And then I'm going to write, let me test this one out. All right, 0, so that's 2. 2 plus 4 is 0 less than 6. Yes. All right, let me try this one, okay? 0 greater than or equal to -4 plus 1. So that 0 is greater than -4 plus 1. What's -4 plus 1? -3. Is 0 bigger than -3? Wait, what? Oh yeah, it is bigger than -3. What's going on? My brain is not working correctly. Yeah, 0 is bigger than -3. Okay, yep, so that's why this is right. Okay? All right? And if you place 0, 4 in there, those statements wouldn't be true. All right? Okay. Now, for 13 and 14, I'm just going to do the graphing calculator way. This one's straightforward enough. So let me enter that in. Let's see, what is that? Less than or equal to 3x plus 1. So okay, that's good. All right, so I don't need to change this. 3x plus 1, all right? Yep. Now, this one is tricky. This one is good. This one's tricky. You have to solve for y before you put in the calculator. So this cancels out. I got -y is greater than -x plus 1. All right, 1 minus x. Here, this is the 8th grade topic we talked about this year. Here, if you divide both sides by -1, that sign switches to less than. This is positive x minus 1. So I got less than x minus 1. Wait. The first one is also less than, right? Yeah. So this one's less than x minus 1. Let's see. X minus 1. Yep, alright, let's graph this. Alright. Oh man, it's stuck again. So, hold on, I'm gonna press pause. I'm not gonna waste your time. Alright, through the magic of television, the graph is right here. Okay? I like this graph. Looks a little different than the ones we've had. Just a little. Alright, so let's see. Now I gotta be careful because that second equation is less than, not less than or equal to. So the second one, the red one, is a dotted line. Alright? So what does that mean? -1, -2. Where's my tracer? Oh man, come on. Alright, it's back. Alright, -1, -2. Let's see. It's right on, isn't it? Yep, we're doing this thing again. Alright, -1, -2, red dotted line, so that's no good. By the way, if you ever want to say like, hey, Mr. Ring, how do you know that's really on the line? Zoom, right? You can zoom in on that. -1, -2, that's no good. 2, -1. 2, -1. Did I just say that? 2, -1. Let's see. 2. You know what I could do? I could actually follow along the axes, actually. I think that's when they round totally. No, maybe not. What was it again? 2, -1? Alright, 2. Yeah, 2, -1's right there. I mean, it's right there. It's in the purple area, so this is it. Okay? Alright, and then you can check on your own 1, 2, and -1, 2, but I'm not going to. Alright, just to save you guys a little time. Alright, yeah, it's almost time already. Alright, which coordinate presents a point? Okay, same thing. I'm gonna graph that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna stop here. Alright? Actually, no, this is optional, so if you want to, you can stop right now. But if you want me to keep going, then, I mean, you don't lose any point for leaving early. So, hold on. This one is half of x, 0.5x plus 13. Although I have to go teach soon. Alright, let's see. What was it again? half x plus 13, and it's less than, right? Yep, okay. Half x, and I can't click on anything right now. Hold on. Alright, half of x plus 13. Now, what about this here? This is, now see, I gotta solve for this again. So I'm gonna subtract 4x from both sides. Cancels out. 2y is greater than negative 4x plus 3. Divide both sides by 2. This is gonna be interesting. Y is greater than negative 2x plus 1.5, right? Again, right, since the coefficient here is a positive number, positive 2, I don't need to switch the symbol, right? Still greater than. Alright, so let me put that in. What? Oh man, it's stuck again. What? Alright, hold on. Okay, alright, so let's see. This is. And it's stuck again. I can't believe this. Alright, what is it? Greater than, right? Alright, and I'm stuck again. Interesting. Alright guys, you know what? Because this thing keeps getting stuck, I'm gonna put in everything, get the graphing get the graphs ready, and then come back to you. Okay, alright, all ready to go. Let's graph. Wow! Okay, I think I have to shift the window up. Alright, so let's see. I need... You know what? Let's check out the choices first. Because it's a gigantic area of purple. So let's just check the answers out. If we need to zoom around, we will. Okay. Negative 4, 1. Oh, that's not it. I mean, I can already tell. Negative 4, 1 is going to be somewhere up here. So no. Negative 2, 2. Negative 2, 2 is right here. Nope. 1, negative 4. I have a feeling that it's going to be borderline. What is it again? 1, negative 4. And the number stops moving. Hold on. Yeah, 1, negative 4 is outside the area, so that's no good. Well, it has to be 2, negative 2 then. I mean, we don't really have a choice. 2, negative 2. 2, and let me go up to negative 2. Yeah, wow, barely. Wow, barely in there. Okay? Now, you might say, well, Mr. Ring, it's on the red line, but the red line's greater than, but it's not on the red line. If you zoom in, you won't, it's not there. Okay? So, by a very, very close call, it's choice 4. Okay? That's it. I gotta sign off and go teach now. Alright. See you later. Bye.
OMG, that was so good.